Hey guys, now let's go ahead and register vSmart in vManage. Let's take a look at how to do it. Just to recap, in the last video we set up the three parameters for vSmart from the CLI, which is your system config, host name, system IP, site ID, the org name, clock time zone, and the vBond address. Then the two VPNs, VPN 0 for transport and VPN 512 for management. Now that's done, the procedure that we need to do inside your graphical interface, this vManage, is pretty much the same thing that I did for your vBond. Again, there's an error over here. It should be admin in lowercase, and do the CSR generation at the time that you register it. Once that's done, you need to take that CSR, go to the CS server, request a certificate, have the CS server generate or push down the certificate, take that certificate and install it inside vManage. You're done with this step. Those are the steps that we have over here. So let's see how to do that. Again, the first thing is to register it, which is configuration, devices, go to controllers, come on. Still loading, I know. See if it's faster on this browser. It is. Haha. It came over here there as well. It doesn't matter which browser you use. So over here, first thing under controllers, add vSmart. Same thing, IP address, which is 199.112. You specify the transport address over here, admin with the password of admin. Generate the CSR, so I don't need to worry about doing it later on. So let it log in. So it logs in as admin and registers the device. There's your vSmart certificate not there, although the CSR was generated. Now I'm going to take the CSR and request the certificate. So again, under configuration, certificates, controllers, you should have the three controllers over there, but out of the three controllers, this one is installed, this is a CSR generated, does not have a certificate installed. So again, view the CSR, the request for certificate, copy it, go to your browser over here for the certificate, home, request, advanced, paste that certificate request. Has been received. Now once it's been received, go back over here, refresh, you will see the request, issue it. Once it's issued, the next thing to do over here is to install it. So to install it, I will go back over here, download the certificate first, save request certificate base64, download it. Again, it's downloaded as certnew.csr CER, but because what I've been doing is all along I've been naming the different ones differently, so it doesn't matter, it doesn't override or doesn't create a problem. There you go. Copy, go back into your vManage, install the certificate, and wait. Once you come over here, it will be scheduled. You need to refresh. And when you refresh, eventually you will have it requested and generated certificate. Success. Now go back over here under configuration, certificates. You should have the three controllers set up with their certificate installed. So my controller bring up is complete. This is what you want to take a look at and see that the certificate is installed. You have your controllers up and running. And not only that, if you go down over here under your dashboard over here, main dashboard, you will see that I have a single vBond, single vManage, and a single vSmart. All three should be up. No WAN edges yet because we haven't done anything yet with the WAN edges. So that's your confirmation that everything is working fine. If you go down over here, this is the last lab that we did. Added the vManage, vSmart to vManage, clicked on the CSR, found out what the CSR was, took it, requested it from the CS server, went to the CS server and issued it, and then downloaded and installed the certificate on my vManage. So right now, the authentication that's taking place between your vManage vSmart and vBond is done based on this certificate. And the way they trust the certificate is because all of them have the root certificate. Now, the root certificate, I only installed on vManage. By default, vManage automatically pushes down the root certificate at the time that it logs in. Remember how I went into vManage and added vSmart and vBond? At that time, as soon as I do that, it downloads the root certificate automatically. So the root cert is downloaded automatically from vManage into the controllers. Later on, actually in the next lab, you need to do the same thing for your vEdges. But the vEdges, vManage does not download the certificates automatically. You need to manually actually download the certificate into the vEdges. So this is a manual procedure, and that's where I would need that Win SCP application. That's the requirement for that. Okay, we'll take a look at that in the next video. So at this point, our controllers are up. The next step, the next section, we'll take a look at how to bring our vEdges and the cEdges up. See you guys in the next video.